In this video, I'm going to show you how you can fix issue with your current device on your Uber app. If this video helps, please like and subscribe to this channel. Alright, when you see this device, mostly you are told to continue using Uber. You may need to use a different device or update the app. So the first method to troubleshoot this, we need to update our app. To do this, just go back to your phone and look for Google Play Store if you are on Android or App Store if you are on iPhone. Because I'm on Android, I'll go to Play Store and search for my Uber app. Here it is, and then check for any update and update your app to the latest version if you have one. In most cases, this should be able to fix your problem, and now you should be able to use it without any issue. But should you still face the same challenge, then you need to troubleshoot your Uber app. To do that, just go to settings on your phone. From settings, go to apps. Under apps, look for this option, manage apps or all apps. This will list all the apps you have on your phone. From the list, search for Uber, and if you tap on it, now here, go to force stop down below and tap on OK. And finally go to clear data and choose clear cache and OK. And finally clear all data. Now restart your smartphone, and now if you go to your Uber app, everything should be up and running without any issue. However, should this not work at this point, then you want to check and then see if you are using any VPN app on your smartphone. This might be one of the main reasons you are experiencing this error. Also check if you have any recently installed security app and install the app before you try to log in. Now at this point, everything should work perfectly without any problem. However, if you fail totally at this point, then check and then see if you can log into your Uber account using your web browser. So go to any web browser and visit the official Uber website to see if you can log into your account. So let me know which of this was able to fix your problem. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.